Nom 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 nom.
Abby! Abby!
You have an unregistered version of Vista or something?
No. That's why it's fake.
Yeah, but the thing is, when you go into the Windows security
Hey,
center,
Abby's.
and you go to turn on the security,
It pops up that
Nose.
little thing.
it pops up. It's embedded in there too.
Nose.
Virus goes everywhere.
It turned off my firewall and my malware.
Right. I go upstairs and I pull malware, malware bites is the best malware program. I told them they can bring it down, you can open the safe.
Abby,
Install from there, run
give
it,
Kimber kisses.
find it, and kill it.
Give the Kimber kisses. Give Kim a kiss.
Then that's what we had to do. For IT guys upstairs, I can get it up there. And that. What do you say?